Have you ever wondered what sitting in front of, working with a Wi-Fi router under, gaming in front of a Wi-Fi router with a Wi-Fi enabled TV and a Wi-Fi enabled gaming system, or sleeping with a Wi-Fi router under your bed is like? Well, I'm going to turn on this microwave meter that measures microwave radiation. So that's us hearing the microwave radiation from the meter. And you can see here that there's colors. So green is good and safe, and then orange not so good and red bad. We're going to walk to the bedroom to where the Wi-Fi router is. So we're going to walk through the hallway here. Now imagine that this is you gaming in front of a Wi-Fi router. So here we go. We're getting closer to the Wi-Fi router. Here's the Wi-Fi router. Look what's happening here. This is you all night long. If that is your bed or your gaming system and TV. Now, this is just the Wi-Fi router. That's not the telephone. That's not the gaming system. That's not the smart TV. Can you imagine? I got to turn this off. Can you imagine sleeping, gaming in front of this all day long, sitting with this under your desk chair? Holy cow.